So if you want to change your date of birth on Facebook or your just birthday, this is what you're going to have to do. So when you first open on Facebook, you'll be on this page, like the feed. Then you're going to want to click the bottom right, the 3 lines. It's kind of like the menu. So now from here, you're going to want to scroll all the way down to Settings and Privacy. Click that. Now from here, click Settings. From here, you're going to want to scroll down into Profile Information right under Audience and Visibility. Go ahead and click that. Then scroll down all that precious information. I got a blur. And now from here, go ahead and click the edit button on the basic info. You'll see your current birthday there. And now you could change it right here. You could change from June to whatever July, which mine is July 7th. And just to let you know, you can only edit your birthday a limited number of times. It doesn't actually say how much, but just keep that in your mind that you cannot just keep changing your birthday or changing your birth year or anything like that. And you gotta confirm where it says right there, I confirm that I am 16 years old or however old you might be. Go ahead and press that button because you have to, otherwise it won't work. Go ahead and press it. Then press the save button on the bottom. And for some reason it tells me that there's an error saving changes to your profile. That might be because I kind of tried doing this beforehand and I might have done it a couple times that went over the limit. So it should work for you. There shouldn't be any reason why it shouldn't work for you because that is how you change your date of birth on Facebook.